Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Life. I'm coming back to give a little share. So I'm going to share with you. Now, I'm not going to lie, I went over just a little bit, but that's okay. Because the bulk of my budget went to her. Now, this was probably my highest expensive item. And this I had bought, and I'd shared it in one of my hauls. I just didn't include that I had actually used it and ordered it with the money that I had received from Miss Beverly. And this was from Mindless Crafting. I'm going to leave their link below. Just as I have before. And as you can see, if I'm not getting too much of a shine on here, I have been working on these today. I have got this, well, you can see, I got the little squirrel. I colored it in with the little fall leaves. So I used the fall leaves. And I've used it's an autumn, but I didn't succeed so well with it. So it didn't work. But I'm still working on it, y'all. I'm practicing on my stamping. And then this set is called Happy Fall. And this one is called Hello Fall. My next one is I Want That Sunflower, y'all. I cannot wait. Oh, and the boot. Actually, I'm sorry, I just love it all. So that was a huge chunk out of my purchase, but I really wanted it and I needed it. So another thing is I got another 2-pack of scissors. I got these at Hobby Lobby, but I needed some new scissors that had not been used on other items because I need some for my ribbon and I need some for fabric. So I needed to have decent scissors. And these are by Fiskars, and I paid, you know, probably $15 for the set of 2. And then I've also got these offline. This set, they were in a bag, and I think, I can't remember, honestly. I could look at my phone, but I'm recording with it, so I can't. I know this one was about $10, and I want to say there was probably about $50. And then this one, I think, was like $7. And then there was probably about 25, 30 pieces of flat back embellishments. Look how cute that little nail polish is, y'all. Oh, no. Can you see that? I've got a lot of cute little things that I can add to hair bows and memory decks and little different craft projects. So I got some of those, and I love these. I've actually already used some of these. So I got those, and I love those. So again, thank you, Miss Beverly. And y'all, I know that so many people use art glitter glue, but I've been hesitant because I've already had some other types of glue, several other types, because I am a crafter and I've been crafting for years. It's just I've just in the last probably 3-4 months started paper crafting. So I've been trying to figure it out. And one of the first glues I ordered was the Tombow. And even though I think it holds, it just takes forever for it to dry. And I heard this one dries a little bit quicker. So I'm hoping this works. And I've started using it. You can see I've taken this. I also got this. This was a $20 purchase. Well, like right at $18. And so I got this bottle, and it came with 3 of the smaller precision needle type bottles. And you can see I've already used a pretty good bit. I went ahead and filled all 3 bottles because I will take one to one area, and I don't want to have to look for it. So I went ahead and filled all 3 bottles, and you can see I've used a good quarter of that one. So that's that. I finally broke down and got it. We'll see how I feel about it, but I can say it took a minute for it to dry, but it's dried very well on here. And then, last and not least, is this Martha Stewart paper pad, which was just a little bit over $3. I don't remember exact change, and free shipping, that somebody had hauled, and I saw it, and I had to have it for the price that it was, because it is a very shabby chic. Oh, my embellishments just flew. It's alright, I'll pick them up later. A very shabby chic, very country, non-traditional paper pad. So, look, I mean, y'all know I love my blue. Y'all know I love my silver. I mean, not my silver, but my shiny. And I do love traditional. So, it's even got the traditional with just a hint of blue in it. So, I love that. The blue snowflakes. And, oh, that might be my favorite paper, y'all. Let's see if I can get y'all to see. Am I blocking a lot? Look at those deer. I'm a country girl, so just reindeer and deer alone is just gorgeous. But it is so clean. I mean, it's got the, is it metallic? What am I thinking of? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Why is it when you record? Let me ask you that. Why is it when you start recording something, all names go out your head and you just cannot think of anything? But you know what I'm talking about. The shiny metallic paper. It just is so pretty. But this is, I love bling. I love a lot of shabby chic. And I know that can be a little gaudy sometimes. But I also just love the clean, simple effects of paper too. You know what? I just really don't think there's much I don't like. Now that's just pure metallic silver. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And I just love this paper. And I thought, I've got a project, my swap. I had, mentioned that a little bit. I'm doing my first swap. And I just thought this paper pad would work beautifully with things that I had in my mind. Because there's a lot in here that I feel like can be used outside of Christmas. So, here we are again, wrapping up another video. Once again, I apologize for that, y'all, but hey, it's life. It happens to the best of us, right? So, with that being said, I want to be sure and welcome everybody and tell you how much I thank all my new subscribers, and I thank all the ones who have been watching my videos, leaving me comments, and being around since my very short beginning. So, with that being said, I want to thank you all, and I wish you all the best.